YouTube faceless channels bring in thousands a month. One big benefit with these type of channels is that you do not have to show your face. You don't even need to leave your house. Anyone can do this. This channel here, Ambient with Flute, literally just uploads videos with a still image in the background and some flute background music. Now you might be thinking these videos won't be very popular, but they're literally generating millions of views and they're earning this guy over £100,000 a year. And the craziest thing about this channel is that he only started 1 year ago. Today I will go over the top 3 niches for YouTube faceless channels that will make you the most money. So if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to subscribe because I make videos like this all the time. Okay, so it's no secret that YouTube faceless channels are a hot topic right now. Everyone seems to be talking about it. But you know, this is for good reason. People are out here earning thousands of thousands a month. So you might feel like you've already missed the opportunity train, you know, all these people are doing it, so what's the point? Why should you start? I don't think that could be any further from the truth. New faceless channels are blowing up every single day. You know, I've seen channels that have started this year and their first few videos are pulling in hundreds of thousands of views. It's all about the quality of the content, nothing to do with the subscribers. You know, as a famous man once said, the best time to start was 5 years ago, but the next best time to start is today. Okay, so in order to start making some money with these faceless channels, we're gonna need to pick a niche. Okay, so the first niche that we're gonna talk about is unboxing content. Okay, so from gaming consoles all the way to computers, all sorts of tech products, you can unbox them. As you can see here on this channel, he's getting millions and millions of views. These people aren't even speaking in these videos, like they're just literally showing their hands, they're unboxing the content, there's not even any music on and they're not speaking, they're not showing the face. This is the definition of a faceless YouTube channel, and these guys are bringing in thousands a month. Okay, so this channel here, The Relaxing End, has over 9 million subscribers and is pulling in thousands and thousands of views per unboxing video. Now you might be thinking, this guy must be doing something crazy, he must be doing something out of the box to get all these subscribers and all these views. He's not. As you can see here, he's literally just unboxing the video. You know, he does have a good camera, but could get the same effect with an iPhone. And all he's doing is unboxing the products. Now these videos are the definition of not hard to make. Like, you can easily do this yourselves on any tech product. This guy does, you know, gaming computers, he does Nintendo Switches, as well as mobile phones, anything tech related, this guy's making a video on and he's unboxing it. Now these videos are getting hundreds of thousands of views. Now if you go over to Social Blade, you can see that his estimated yearly earnings are over £500,000. That is crazy. But for a person that isn't talking in these videos, for a person that isn't actually showing his face, this is nuts. And I can guarantee as well, this guy is making probably another £200,000-300,000 a year off affiliate links alone on his channel. You know, these tech companies are probably reaching out to him to review their products and paying him on these videos. So he's not just getting YouTube AdSense, he's getting these companies working with him as well. So just because this channel is already established doesn't mean you can't get involved in this niche. In fact, a lot of people make this mistake where, you know, if they already see someone successful doing it, like, why should I bother? You know, this guy's already getting all the views, he's taking up the whole market. I think that's a load of rubbish. You can still have a lot of success with this concept. You know, you don't have to reinvent the wheel with this. People at the end of the day are coming to these channels for the unboxing part of the video. So as long as you get the unboxing part down to a T, you get a good formula going, you can easily replicate these type of videos and be pulling in these views yourself. This whole channel idea is something that I actually want to get myself into, and I'm going to be making my own tech review channel because I think this is just ridiculous not to start in. I know a lot of people on here might not have a lot of editing experience. I know people watching these videos also aren't really comfortable being on camera. So a channel like this and a niche like this where it's profitable and it's also very easy to, you know, edit the videos together, you can't go wrong with this niche. Okay, so next up we're going to talk about list style videos. Now you see list style videos everywhere on YouTube. People are constantly making these type of videos. You know, from top 10 hilarious movie scenes, top 10 unexpected movie deaths, top 10 awkward moments in live TV. Videos like this that people generally are interested in knowing. They do really well on YouTube and they also don't need to be edited crazy. They're a list video at the end of the day. So with a list video, all you need to do is come up with a list, find out a top 10 of something, and, you know, just edit a few clips together. Now this channel here, Watch Mojo, is estimated to be earning over $2.3 million a year. That is insane. All they do is make list style videos. They don't show their face. All they do is speak about a top 10 video. You don't even need to be creative with stuff like this. You don't need to reinvent the wheel again. You can see what's doing popular on YouTube and you can just start making these top 10 videos. You know, I think channels like this work very well. People are always interested in top 10 videos, and the more videos you upload and the more content you actually produce, you know, the more money you're going to make with a channel like this. So you might actually be thinking, this all sounds good, you know, where do I get this footage that they use in the videos? Well, a lot of the footage that they use is actually free B-roll footage. Anyone can do this. You know, you have access to all of this on the internet for absolutely free. You can use sites like Pexels, and what Pexels is a list of thousands and thousands of videos that you can use for free. So if I go onto pexels.com, switch it over to videos, and you know, say if we're making a video about coding or like computer hackers or something, people are always interested in stuff like that. You can type in coding into the video section, and what you're going to get is hundreds and hundreds of free B-roll videos that you can use in your videos. All you have to do is click download, and then you can use them in your videos. No copyright infringement involved. All these list style videos follow the same formula. They're just a top 10 list of something interesting that people want to know. You can use sites like Google Trends. Basically what Google Trends is it will tell you what's the most popular search item for this month. So for example, you know, Oppenheimer and Barbie is a really popular topic at the minute. That'll be high up on Google Trends. You could make a top 10 video on Christopher Nolan's top movies. Also, because Margot Robbie is in Barbie, you could make a top 10 video about Margot Robbie's films. Stuff like that is going to generate interest, and if you can actually make these videos about trending topics and stuff, you're going to get more views to start off with. I think list videos in general are just a very good, easy way to get into the whole YouTube faceless idea, because you don't have to have a personality as such. You just need to give people facts, interesting facts that they're going to get value from on your channel. Like I said, you can be earning thousands and thousands and thousands of pounds on this every single month. So you might be thinking like you need some crazy editing experience to stand out. Well, you really don't. You know, people actually don't really care for the flashy titles and flashy editing in these type of videos. They just want the facts. If I was to pick a niche on this, I'd probably do something that I was interested in. So I'd like make a travel top 10 page, and I'd just do like top 10 videos on places that haven't had much coverage on YouTube. A place like Madeira, for example, that's kind of up and coming, I'd make a top 10 video on that. If you just niche down a bit in the top 10 channels, you can definitely find your niche in this top 10 category. Okay, so last up is motivational faceless channels. Now, I've talked about motivation faceless channels before. I made a full video on how you can actually go ahead and create your own motivational videos for your YouTube faceless channel, so a link will be down in the description for that. But basically what a motivational channel is, it's just a place where people upload motivating videos. They put some nice B-roll footage in the background. This can be on Pexels, again, like the site that I just showed you for the top 10 videos. They put some inspiring music as well as like an inspiring quote or an inspiring speech on the background, and then that's it. That's all you need to do. Now, channels like Motivation Hub are estimated to be earning over £200,000 a year off this. That is crazy. You know, these channels get millions and millions of views, and they don't even put that much work into it. You know, you could even batch record these videos or batch create these videos. You don't even need your own voice for these motivational videos. That's how good it is. You don't need your own voice. You don't need to record in the real world. All you need to do is use these free to use Pexel videos. You know, find some free, copyright free speeches and put them onto a video, upload them to YouTube, and start creating a good catalog, which can then generate you some money. Now, I'm not going to say this is easy. I'm not going to tell you this is going to be an easy thing to do with these niches. I'm just giving you some ideas of what you can do for your own YouTube faceless channels and the most profitable ones. Now, if you're going to do this, it's not going to be easy money. However, you know, if you work at these channels, like if you actually give it some attention and, you know, be consistent with these channels, you will start earning some money with this. The only reason this won't work is if that you don't give it 100%. YouTube, at the end of the day, it isn't easy money, but it is also not hard. Once you get like a rhythm going and a schedule going, this can really generate you some serious income. So if you give it that attention that it needs, you can set yourself up here for some nice income every month. Now, I've got videos on how to build YouTube channels and how to build, you know, faceless channels. If you want to go ahead and check those out for more information on how you can actually create some of these videos, be my guest. I will link a playlist down in the description, but I do hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was insightful for you, and I do wish you the best of luck with these faceless channels.